Hello! Today we're gonna be in the front garden for a change, and we have to do a little bit of tidying up. And yeah, let me show you the front garden and what we have to do. So you enter the front garden, and you can see it's quite crowded on the right hand side, but even on the left with this shrub. And on top you have the wisteria that is currently blooming beautifully. Let me look at some blooms. Oh, and the bees love it as well. Yeah, and I think the biggest eyesore for me are these boxwoods. They just don't look as fresh anymore. So I will trim them considerably, and I will also lighten all this growth on the wall a little bit, just for it to look a little bit more intentional and not as wild. I like a wild look, but this is maybe a little bit too much. And this is the look from the other side. I mean, now you can see the wisteria on the right top even better. But yeah, just like trimming it a little bit. This is the plan for today, and tidying the flower beds at the bottom. Yeah, there's not much you can do here. I mean, and I think it actually looks quite cool. Those are the wisteria branches, and they're extremely thick. But yeah, there's no flower bed down there. Yeah, let's do this. Okay, let's start with this wall behind me. I have to be a little bit careful though, because there's a currant growing here, and my mother uses this for cakes every autumn or summer and autumn. So yeah, I just have to like make sure to trim everything around the currant. And we are done for now. I think I have to do some planting in the near future, but it looks already considerably better than before. Let me show you. So when you come in, you can see that this shrub is slightly tightened up. I didn't do anything about this wisteria because, I mean, the blooms are just too cute at the moment. I really want them to stay that way for a little bit longer. But yeah, so this kind of, I mean, it's a kind of hydrangea that is like on this wall. I trimmed it up a little bit so you can walk considerably better straight ahead if you want to. But I think the biggest change is essentially below. Yeah, so you can see I exposed all the brick wall a little bit more, and now you can see yeah, the stems much better, and I think it looks quite nice. I think it's quite nice that it's so exposed. I also, I mean, I tidied up these shrubs a little bit. The biggest change was this boxwood, but I think I have to get rid of it because it just maybe in the near future it will like rebounds, but it looks quite rough at the moment. And this is the view when you come out of the front door, so you want it to look nice. So yeah, maybe in the next video I will remove this and plant something else instead. Yeah, I especially removed a lot of the hydrangea around here to free up this fruit shrub more, and then I tidied up this boxwood a little bit. Yeah, anyway, that's it. Yeah, I hope you will also watch the next video where I will plant something in this flower bed. And I will see you soon. Bye bye.